Good morning. We are headed to Cars and Coffee this morning here in Greenville, South Carolina. On our way to meet a good friend Paul and his Audi. We are driving the Audi R8 today. So stay tuned. Let's see what kind of cool cars we see here at the show this morning. Check out this Viper just rolled up. Nice car, man.
Hey, thank you.
It's one of those. It's a crazy show. I mean, like when last time I pulled in here, I don't know if it has anything to do with weather or weekend or.
Oh,
it was lined up all the way back to Pelham Road.
Was it really? Wow.
And so I don't know. And then an hour from now it'll be full. 30 minutes after that it'll be empty. I mean, as people
true.
come and go, I guess. Still cool. Yeah, I like the yellow instruments. Stitching. Yeah. And color coordinated. That's another one I've been looking at. Just because the 80s stuff,
That's color, yeah, the retro.
Yeah. My only concern is where to get it worked on around here.
Yeah.
I don't want to have to go to Charlotte or Atlanta every time you need to work on it.
That's true. But I have no idea how to work on that myself. I'd be too scared to.
I think there's a place off 101 that might work on it. I looked on the internet, but I'm not familiar with them. Don't know what their reputation is or anything. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. I love the white interior. Got one at home about the same as this 68 model. I don't know what year. This looks like early 70s.
When you order your restoration shop, when you see classic cars like this out like this, are you kind of like not piggy, not critical, but
Well,
you know what I mean?
yeah, you can always be critical. Even the cars that come straight out of our shop, you can find something wrong with it. Nobody's perfect, but I try not to look at it that way.
Is it harder to appreciate something like that when you see it out here like this, or are you like always looking for something like that? You know what I mean?
I mean, I guess if something like just pops out at you, but I try. I mean, I don't say anything to anybody because, you know. All kind of makes and models and cars here. We got your classics, you got your new cars, you got your imports, supercars, Mustangs, Audis, trucks, a little bit of everything here.
Is this is it 3M or Avery?
Avery.
It's beautiful. They killed it.
Have you seen the video?
Yes.
Oh
my gosh.
That's unbelievable.
That's so. Wayne's skills are unfair.
Oh yeah.
That is.
He's amazing.
That's incredible.
That's how you're.
It's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
This is
I'm
your
not
car.
gonna get out- yeah, I'm not gonna get out of it, but I put into it.
That looks so good. That's one thing. That's the big difference between the two cars that I didn't realize is that how much I liked having a manual. Because you know my Cayman was my first manual car. I'd never experienced it beforehand, and there were some days where it was so annoying. I was like, I would love to have an automatic
Traffic.
But then now that I have the auto and I don't have the manual, that's all I want. I just want to shift.